Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready for a change? Are you ready to feel amazing? Then buckle up, because this month we're going on a journey together. I'm taking on the challenge of transforming my health with proper nutrition for an entire month. That's right, 30 days of dedicated, delicious and healthy eating. I'm going to be documenting everything, the good, the bad, the cravings, and most importantly, the results. Follow along as I share my weight loss journey and try to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Let's get started. Let's be real, proper nutrition is essential for a healthier lifestyle. It's the foundation of our overall well-being, and it plays a critical role in preventing chronic diseases, boosting energy levels, and even improving mental health. But maintaining a balanced diet in today's world is tough. So many of us struggle because of our busy schedules. We're always on the go, and it's easy to rely on convenience foods that are high in unhealthy ingredients. Then there's the misinformation. So many conflicting diet trends and advice out there. Keto, paleo, vegan. It can be hard to know what to believe. Plus, unhealthy cravings are a major obstacle. Who doesn't love the taste of junk food? But giving in to those cravings can have serious consequences for our health and goals. And let's not forget how our surroundings can influence our eating habits. If we're constantly surrounded by unhealthy food options, it's more likely we'll give in to temptation. So I will be documenting this. I am just as susceptible to temptation as anyone else. But with the right plan and mindset, we can overcome these challenges together. Okay, so what proper nutrition and how can we actually achieve it? Let's break it down. First, we need to understand the basics, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients like carbohydrates, protein and fat are the building blocks of our diet. They provide us with energy and support growth and repair. Carbs are fuel, protein is for building muscle. Healthy fats are essential for brain function. We need all of them in the right balance. Micronutrients like vitamins and minerals are just as crucial. They help regulate various bodily functions and prevent deficiencies. Think vitamin C for immunity, vitamin D for bone health, iron for energy. These are vital. And of course, hydration is essential. Our bodies are made up of mostly water, and drinking enough of it is vital for maintaining proper bodily functions. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day more if you're active. Now, this isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices, choosing whole, unprocessed foods as often as possible, filling your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, and learning to listen to your body's hunger cues. Incorporating these aspects of nutrition into our daily lives can be simpler than you think. It's about making small changes, one step at a time. Start by drinking more water. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and refill it throughout the day. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. Add them to your meals or snack on them throughout the day. Reduce your intake of processed foods. These foods are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. And try meal prepping. This can save you time and money and help you stick to your dietary goals. Spend a few hours on the weekend preparing your meals for the week. I like to do this every Sunday, and importantly, move your body. Nutrition is only half the battle. Combine it with regular exercise for optimal results. Even a 30-minute walk each day can make a huge difference. Use a fitness app to track your progress and set reminders. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation to reduce stress. Ensure you get enough sleep to support your body's recovery. I've seen firsthand the transformative power of nutrition. A friend of mine was struggling with low energy levels and chronic pain, but after making some simple dietary changes, they were able to regain their health and vitality. I was so impressed by them. Seeing their progress really inspired me to take control of my own health, and I've seen significant improvements in my overall well-being. I have more energy, I feel stronger, and I'm just generally happier. This isn't about fitting into fashion trends or becoming a social media star. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, everything else just falls into place. Throughout this challenge, there will be good days and bad days. There will be cravings and there will be slip-ups. But the key is to not give up. Just get back on track at the next meal. Every healthy choice you make is a victory. So what happens when you make nutrition a priority? When you focus on putting the right fuel in your body, you're not just feeding it, you're giving it the tools it needs to thrive. You'll find you have more energy throughout the day, meaning that you can focus on the things that matter to you. You're also less susceptible to health concerns, and you feel fantastic. Reflecting on this journey, you'll notice improved mental clarity, better mood, and a sense of accomplishment. The results speak for themselves. A vibrant, healthier you is within reach. Making informed dietary choices is crucial for achieving better health outcomes. By understanding the importance of nutrition, we can take control of our health and make positive changes that will benefit us in the long run. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Remember, you are worth the effort. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and let each step bring you closer to a vibrant, healthier you. Together we can transform our lives, one nutritious choice at a time. Thanks for watching this video and coming along with me on the transformation. I am so happy to share this with you. What are you waiting for? Don't forget to comment below with your favorite healthy foods or nutrition tips. I want to know what your favorite tips are. And be sure to check out my next video on meal prepping for easier healthy eating. I'll be showing you my favorite recipes and tips for making meal prep a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the healthy vibes.